sleep-related acupuncture points relax the mind and body. They can help you fall asleep sooner and sleep better. An average acupuncture session lasts around 15 minutes, but it can last from 5 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, there is no benefit, and the session should be discontinued. Acupuncture is accomplished by piercing the skin with thin, stiff, metallic needles, which are then triggered by gentle and specific motions of the practitioner's hands or electrical stimulation. Acupuncture is an ancient method of traditional Chinese medicine. According to traditional Chinese medicine, the human body has around 2,000 acupuncture sites linked by channels or meridians. These pathways allow energy, qi, pronounced qi, to circulate through the body, responsible for general health. An interruption in the flow of energy may be the cause of the sickness. It is believed that administering acupuncture to specific points enhances the flow of qi and so improves health. Acupuncture in real life. One of the most acupuncture-damaging studies ever undertaken demonstrated that acupuncture works, even when the needles are placed into a rubber hand. Qi, Chai, Kai, or Ji. Ji and Kai are not the same as Chai and Qi. Ji, Kai is a philosophical notion, profound thinking that is difficult to describe and convey, although pole, or ultimate, will suffice. Qi, Chai is a Chinese term for breath or life energy, similar to the Western idea of vis vitalis, life force, or the Greek pneuma, breath, spirit, soul. And this is what acupuncture is all about. Promotes the protocol stated in the clinicians who are in comprehensive treatment may produce an acupuncture anxiety disorder protocol. The inspection focuses on heat or suggested washing to seal in the results of the procedures. They may include side effects such as the impact on a low or massage. Anyone who utilizes cookies to isolate these stones should expect to take full advantage of the puncturing specific in the needles. It is suggested that more studies using acupuncture for stress be conducted on professionals who will be disseminating the results. Flowchart of anxiety combined with the application times persons who went throughout the acupuncture protocol for anxiety disorder. Brevity. This study protocol was classified as young men and female who simply condition. Syncope is primarily caused by a reduction in blood flow to the brain, and symptoms include lightheadedness, sweating, pale complexion, and poor eyesight. Some people may even pass out if they laugh or sneeze. This has been found in patients who have not eaten enough before their acupuncture session. As a result, syncope is a common symptom that clinicians should be aware of. However, it is not a life-threatening issue, so you need to worry about it. If you have these symptoms during a visit with us, you must reschedule. What would cause this to happen? The idea behind acupuncture is to shift the qi in your body when you are overworked, and there isn't enough of it for therapy. Acupuncture for anxiety is one area of treatment where I have witnessed some of the most spectacular transformations in patients over the years. The poignant testimonies from patients detailing how acupuncture has given them back their life speaks for themselves and demonstrate how acupuncture may produce rapid, effective, and long-lasting effects in treating anxiety disorders and associated symptoms. While acupuncture is commonly used to treat physical diseases, it may be primarily a mental health therapy. What is the theory behind acupuncture? Acupressure, like acupuncture, is holistic treatment with roots in ancient Chinese medicine, TCM. Both acupressure and acupuncture are based on the idea that certain diseases can be relieved by stimulating specific regions of the body. We can accomplish remarkable health impacts by traveling along invisible lines known as meridians that run through our bodies. On the other hand, TCM practitioners believe that stagnation or blockages in our body's meridians may cause pain, anguish, and even disease. Acupuncture is based on the notion that specific amounts of energy circulate throughout the body and are necessary for maximum health. The point is referred to as qi, or kai. Unfortunately, there occurs a stoppage in energy flow for various causes, which manifests as disease. Acupuncture corrects this uneven flow by putting needles into unique places near the skin. They monitor the flow of energy and minimize disturbances. What is the mechanism of action of acupuncture? What precisely does it do? Those of us who practice acupuncture in the West have done medicine a disservice by simply describing moving qi and characterizing qi as energy traveling via invisible meridians. Being a skeptic comes easy to me. My mind is curious, and I am not easily swayed by simplistic esoteric explanations or reductionist Western scientific rationalizations. For thousands of years, millions of people have utilized acupuncture to cure a variety of health conditions. Acupuncture modulates the flow of qi, the human body's energy force. Western medicine considers what is known as qi in Eastern philosophy to be natural chemical processes in the body, with abnormalities being treated with drugs. In Eastern medicine, qi is supposed to flow through pathways known as meridians. Disruptions in this flow result in sickness in the body or psyche. When the flow is restored, the health recovers. What about acupuncture's safety and adverse effects? Acupuncture impacts traditional medicine since depression can be caused by an imbalance or obstruction in one or more of the body's organ systems and meridian routes. If the qi is obstructed or the amount of qi is insufficient to feed the organs adequately, this can lead to sickness, disease, and emotional issues. Acupuncture naturally improves with no drug side effects, withdrawal symptoms, or addictions. Acupuncture is a reasonably safe treatment. We utilize sterile, disposable needles that are sealed by the manufacturer and only opened right before use. Acupuncture has minimal, if any, unwanted side effects, including slight bleeding, discomfort, or bruising at the acupuncture site. According to the National Institute of Health, the negative effects of acupuncture are exceedingly minor and typically less than conventional treatments. They also stated, when performed by a skilled, qualified acupuncturist using sterilized needles, acupuncture carries little danger. Pain and minor bleeding or bruising at the site of needle insertion are frequent adverse effects. Disposable needles are now the industry norm, reducing the risk of infection. Acupuncture, on the other hand, isn't for everyone. If you have any of the following symptoms, you may be at risk of developing issues. Smoking pulls you into a vortex from which it is impossible to escape. So there isn't just one way to assist a smoker quit smoking. There are several strategies available to help smokers quit smoking. Unfortunately, most of the aids or meals used to stop smoking become the source of the addiction. Acupuncture, on the other hand, has no adverse effects and even has some sound side effects. Ear acupuncture for weight loss. Acupuncture can help with weight reduction by regulating neuroendocrine function, improving metabolism, optimizing digestion, lowering inflammation, suppressing appetite, lowering water retention, and optimizing other physiological systems related to obesity and weight reduction. In a similar trial, 161 obese people were divided into two groups. One received actual acupuncture, while the other got sham treatments. Both groups followed a calorie-restricted diet. While both groups lost weight, they discovered that only those who had actual acupuncture experienced changes in important inflammatory markers 6 and 12 weeks later. This is our area of expertise. Not only do we have a high success rate, but those that stop utilizing our services also cease permanently. Weight gain, withdrawal avoidance, and detoxification are frequently incorporated in smoking cessation treatment. All future treatments are free for 30 days after the initial treatment. Acupuncture is a relatively successful method of weight loss that needs supervision on two fronts. Acupuncture can help with both, A. Consuming nutritious meals and B. Eating less. Why does acupuncture work? Acupuncture is a medical treatment based on traditional Chinese medicine. TCM, a medical system that has been practiced in Asia for thousands of years. Acupuncture works by stimulating acupoints on the body's surface. Acupuncturists stimulate the acupoints by inserting fine needles through the skin to induce physiological reactions. Other techniques, such as heat or finger pressure, are used to produce acupuncture points. The core concept of acupuncture is that proper physiological function and health are dependent on the circulation of minerals, chemicals, and energy known as qi, pronounced qi, and a network of channels or meridians. This article summarizes the existing data on acupuncture for pain management in cancer patients. It includes an explanation of how acupuncture is thought to work and what the intervention entails, statistics on acupuncture's use in treating pain caused by cancer or cancer treatment, how acupuncture is practiced in our medical system, a discussion of safety concerns,